We're about to make a buttermilk pie. I'm gonna try a different kind of buttermilk. A lot of times I don't have buttermilk on hand. I'm sure you don't either for a lot of my buttermilk recipes. And so I found this at Azure Standard, and it is organic. It's buttermilk powdered and non-instant organic buttermilk powder. It's just made with organic buttermilk and organic skim milk, pasteurized on low heat. And so I decided to get a bag of this and try it because I make a lot of buttermilk recipes and it's just a pain to keep it on hand. And so all you do is to make a cup of buttermilk, you take 3 tablespoons of this powder and add it to cold water, 1 cup of cold water. And you stir it around until you have a cup of buttermilk.
For the ingredients, we have 2 cups of sugar, 1 unbaked pie crust, 3 beaten eggs. We have 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 3 rounded tablespoons of flour, and 1/3 of a cup of melted butter.